Dang it.
In my last moments, I saw the fucking fridge come at my bike. God damn it. God fuck.
Green light.
I have never in my life screamed hatred towards refrigerators more than this current fucking moment.
I mean,
Red light.
yeah.
Oh, man.
I'm crying.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I may or may have broken the Geneva Convention while doing so. While shooting a giant gun.
Oh no.
I'm gonna write my own fucking Geneva Convention.
Damn.
Rule 1, no fucking
You
refrigerators.
okay, Blaine?
That's what's
Okay, just
tired
check
of
you.
this game.
Sham. The fucking
Hold on.
okie dokie.
Oh wait, let me reenact your reaction towards the fridge. Wait.
Nah, that's
Walks into
not
the
enough.
kitchen and gets scared.
I'm gonna walk into the kitchen, I'm gonna beat the shit out of my fridge. I'm gonna beat... You know that scene from fucking Street Fighter where they fight the car? Yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
You're clear.
Oh
What
no.
the fuck do you?
What do you mean, memory? My memory's dog shit. What do you mean?
Oh no.
Not this one.
What did your fridge do to you?
I've been murdered by a fridge 8 times now. I don't want to hear it.
You can't hit me, I'm flat.
Pink, blue, green, red.
I go green.
Red. I don't remember red. I don't remember
Come
red.
here.
I can't. Oh,
goodbye.
my god.
Oh, I said we're dying.
I can't move around or like look around well.
By the way, I'm just flat.
Oh shit, I can't
I
remember.
think this was blue.
I think this is blue. I think this is blue.
I was wrong.
Oh my god.
See you die.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Oh, don't worry.
God damn it, I have the fucking brain fish of a goldfish. It's so stupid.
3D.
Oh god. There's your fridge.
Brainfish of a goldfish.
Shut
I
up.
have you, my friend.
I don't know. Now I'm in
Okay, Flat Stanley.
Man, we have a problem.
The memory of a fucking goldfish cracker and they would play a memory game. What the fuck? Not the fridge.
You need to see a doctor. God.
Remember
I'm,
that
still,
dog?
I'm up here and I'm
Remember
still
the
fucking
dog
scared of the
meme?
fridge.
Let me do it for you.
I think this was blue. I think this was blue. I'm gonna die. Yep.
I ate too much Thanksgiving.
Holy fuck, he's wide.
Who the fuck is he shooting at still?
The demons,
You
bro.
won, Plane. Good job.
They're dead. We're already dead. Okay,
Bro.
plus we're eliminated in the first round.
I lasted a long time. Till I forgot which color blue was.
Do this shit. My memory is fucking atrocious, man. I'm not cut out for this fucking
Who
memory.
trusted me with a gun?
I became a
I'm
Chad.
not playing this round. I can't hold my fucking controller.
Okay,
Start
face me with a
crying.
gun.
All right, light props. That means no refrigerators. Hopefully.
That's what you
I'm
think.
running.
I swear to God, if a refrigerator counts as a light prop, I'm taking my headset off.
No,
I didn't have a
like
refrigerator, so
expeditiously
you're
quick.
good.
You're Metal Sonic Omega. Do not quit like a pussy.
Expeditiously quickly, this headset's getting turned off. A fucking fridge comes at me and light props.
Okay, Mary Poppins, are you gonna say expeditiously alidocious?
I hit whatever the fuck keeps the refrigerators away. I'll say whatever voodoo spell you want me to.
Fucking Mary Poppins.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Why am I teeter-tottering? Stop that shit.
Goodbye.
It's fucking plus trap. Holy shit, plus trap just got hit by a trash can. Plus trap, we're boned. Plus trap, we're boned. I made it. I lit. I swear to God, I see a refrigerator come out that cannon. I'm suing. I'm suing you. I'm suing for everything you got. I'm suing.
You'll be alright, Scrubbs.
No, I'm the furthest fucking thing from all right. No, I'm the.
I'm about to call game night to an end.
Why risk it?
No, I have pressure on it.
No.
Horseshit.
Go run it. Is that vamp still alive?
I'm playing the deadliest game of my
No, I'm not.
No.
And no, it's because I'm getting tired and my headset's at 5%.
Hell yeah.
Vamp, you're doomed.
No, I'm not.
Fucking get this shit, man.
Vamp, I'm clearly shooting your thing. With sharp objects.
I believe
Dangerous
in the
objects.
vision.
What vision?
Vamp, are you showing now? What?
Maybe? Yes!
How are you still
Hold on, the
breathing?
vision lives! The vision lives! The vision. No.
6 seconds, Vamp.
Nope, nope.
Live. Live.
We win! The vision is live!
Alright, I'm calling it quits tonight. Oh, drop my controller.
Oh, good
Call
night.
on it quits tonight. Good night.
Bye.
I wonder how many more refrigerators I have to get hit by before I call it now.
Lot more.
Probably. Fucking refrigerator. I think I've genuinely grown animosity towards refrigerators. It's fucking amazing.
I'll see if I can get somebody else to come in here and play with us.
It's either refrigerator or someone says something positive about me, and the universe just has to cancel it out. And the universe
Hey, Vamp,
and
look
I
at my
die
face.
instantly.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I can get Legend in here.
I'll scare him or anyone who joins just for the hell of it.
You alright?
Conveyors.
You can't see nothing.
Oh shoot! I'm fired, Vamp! Oh, you're a big gun, but I still have a gun.
X-rated movies, mother.
Holy shit, he did.
The only way they're gonna know is if you're speaking.
Vamp, I'm
Holy
still
fuck,
shooting
grand
at
piano.
you. Vamp, death
Yeah.
cannot stop me from shooting at you.
Quit shooting
I'm
at me.
fucking waiting for it. I know it's to come eventually. I'm just not
Table.
seeing when. No. Fucking no. Not the fridge. No. Why is it always a fridge?
I don't know. Even I'm confused on that.
Fucking hate me, man. Ooh, fucking tired. Thought. Alright, I guess I'm going back this way. Please, I'm just in my little gamer home. You don't have to. Not the fridge!
Hugging him with a fridge.
Please. Please. I'm in my home. I've done no wrong. No. No.
I saw you outside
No.
your house.
Fuck it. No.
You know what? I have to shoot at Vamp. Because he tells me to stop.
Please, please.
You're going to stop that.
Vamp doesn't tell me. Okay. I said it once and I stopped immediately.
At least it wasn't a fridge.
You know what? She's right. At least it wasn't a fucking fridge.
At least it wasn't a fridge.
I'll fucking give it to them, though. The fridges were fucking trying. The fridge.
They were. They were, in fact, trying.
Fucking horse shit. It's always the fridge. I shall never look at my refrigerator the same way again. Never in my
Hey man, look at my gun. I changed it.
again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's Aubrey.
Man, give me a bigger gun. Man,
Are you
give me
gotta
a
be
bigger
fucking
gun.
kidding me? You really right to me? Right? This is
He's gonna take his headset off and just throw it against the wall and go punch his fridge.
that fridge is not living to see tomorrow. Mark my words.
You're gonna regret that all your food's gonna spoil if you mess that fridge up.
Fuck that fridge. I'm buying a fridge.
I am basically trapped.
Uh-oh.
Come on, live it. Man, you're kinda gonna get cornered. Man, what do you say, man?
I'm good.
Always.
Damn.
Fucking.
You think you're good?
Oh, there was one refrigerator.
Yeah, I'm good. Just your fridge almost got me.
They're taunting me, damn it. Look at this. The fridges just go nowhere close to anyone fucking else. But yet.
Luck is not on your side today, Vamp.
You know, you say that and then watch I
Bye.
get stuck somewhere.
Either I'm shooting you.
I should turn my
Huzzah,
flying on
comrades.
and just mess
You
with
didn't
them
get
so they can
stuck.
fly around.
Don't fucking hit me.
I have a flying. See, look. I can fly.
Yeah, this avatar has a flying too, but I know it's no use. That fridge is fucking inevitable. That fridge.
I believe I can fly.
Shit would snipe me. How much you want to bet?
Bullet.
I could be fucking up here and the fridge will still hit me. Watch, I could be.
You're getting it.
Oh, I'm electrified.
Why is it always the light props when it's my turn? Why? I hate light props.
Hey, yo.
Cornered you with my bullets.
How is he not dead? Fucking explain.
Hi.
Barrels. Go gadget barrels. He's alive in there. Bull.
Aha! Should I stop shooting this gun at him?
Nah, I wouldn't.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot him.
Gameplay sabotage.
I can't really kill him.
No one heard Lockers. She's just gonna fucking land on a pixel and survive. I thought I called it. I fucking called it.
I'm gonna get electrocuted though. Nope, 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 nope.
I don't believe this game.
Damn.
I don't.
I.
Love it. She's got the strats. She's too fucking good. Ow! She's the fucking master of all four elements. This has got to be block bending. This has got to. I swear to God, find something to stand on. Thank you. Holy fuck.
Scrubbs, you can blame my boyfriend for showing me that trick.
Fucking bullshit.
You can blame my boyfriend for that. He showed me that trick.
I've never been so distraught in my entire life. I've never. Death-defying twice in a row is preposterous work, okay?
I mean... oh, great.
You failed, dude. If you do not
Game
answer,
over, bro. I'm screwed.
you need the reason to not shoot you with this
Just
giant
focus on
massive
certain
gun.
colors.
Green, blue, red, pink.
I'm not gonna let you focus.
Not the fridge. Red.
Hmm?
Dog.
Sylvester's blue.
Woo, that
Okay,
was lucky.
maybe not.
Really?
Nope.
Bam, run.
I am running.
Fucking horse shit.
Video fridge.
Double fridge action.
You really focus, Bam.
Oh, sweetie, I can focus on colors pretty good.
You know, it's real fucking hard to remember what color I'm looking at when a 2-ton fridge is flying at me.
I don't think
And it's the fridge
fridges
that
are
got
2
you
tons.
too.
I'd say it's more.
Always the fucking fridge.
What was that playing?
Hello, everybody.
You say
I was
something?
saying fridges are more like 500 pounds.
I don't care how
Maybe
many pounds it
6.
is. It's still pissing me off when it lodges itself in front of my fucking dome.
You all died. Welcome to hell.
I got fucking eviscerated by the first fridge I saw. Fucking come on, please.
Hi, welcome to hell, everybody. How are you enjoying your
Yeah, watch
trip
me
in
still
hell?
fucking find a way to get hit up here. Yeah, watch.
You are in hell. This is your eternal
Feels
torment.
like it's refrigerator hell.
Welcome to normal hell.
Oh, shit.
This is your torment for all of eternity.
Can my torment be something else?
Plane's taking a page out of my book.
I am sorry,
You
but you gotta have your own
defiant
torment.
bastard! You
Plane, stay in the middle.
Where's it even coming from?
You motherfucker! I swear to God! I swear to God!
Bam, look at that.
I swear!
Boom.
This is horseshit! This is the worst game I've ever played in my entire life. This one. Oh my God!
Let me just end it for you then.
Hey, yo.
Evolution.
Yes! The fridge finally worked in my favor! Finally!
Not finally, my friend, you died.
The fridge gods finally gave him a purpose.
My friend.
You know what? To fucking be
Massive gun.
to beat you death-defying fucking Houdini bastards, I had to call upon my worst enemy, the fucking refrigerator.
No such friend, you don't have an ally. This is quite literal
Oh.
hell.
It is hell. It's refrigerator
Ah,
hell.
Brent,
I'm in the
stop it.
electronic section.
That wasn't me that time. I don't even know how to. You could have killed me. I'm a Pokemon. You missed.
Oh, so the fridge doesn't kill him? So the what?
You missed.
What the fuck?
I didn't even do that one. Hey, I'm gonna walk away. Goodbye.
He did. Not the fridge.
Get with the fridge, fam.
I'm not doing it on purpose. It just shows up.
Fucking barrels.
Kill him with the fridge.
Barrels. Vending machine.
Kill him.
I mean, a
Barrels.
vending machine is kind of like a fridge.
Fridge.
There's the
Did I
fridge.
say kill him or tell me what a fridge looks like? My friend, what does
think
that
I am-
avatar do?
This, hold on, I'd have to go into my expressions. It has many things. It has plushy. It has, well, this is technically
Goodbye,
one of the things it
plane.
does. This is how it normally is. You have ally mode, funny expression, eyes, I can go super when I'm in this at least.
Plane's like, no, not
Ah.
today.
No. I tried.
Oh,
He
fuck.
tried.
You stopped the lightsaber.
Overclock. This avatar can do quite a bit of
I am
things.
so sorry about the fridge.
Fucking fridge. I had
what?
half a second to fear for my fucking life before fridge.
It just slid across the thing and got you.
It is.
I want to clone that so bad because it's a funny version of what I see.
Yeah.
Hey man, would you like a lightsaber?
No.
Alright, there you go. It's turned on.
Would you like a machine gun?
Shoot and dead.
Would you like two of the same bloody person?
Watch you be
Oh,
fucking
no.
fridge.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Go fridge. You now work for me, you fuck. That fridge will find a way to bounce back.
Translation, that
Watch.
shit doesn't work for you.
Go fridge. I command you.
Oh, fuck. Oh no, I missed a jump.
No fridge. You work bastard.
Wait, I'm a little too high.
I ain't perfectly high. Not really.
Why prove it wrong?
Yes.
Take my own life.
Yeah.
I took my own life.
The fridge.
You failed.
Is one of you bastards
Help!
alive?
Ma'am, I need help. I may or may have found a trap and walked directly into it.
Hang on. Let me get my hands in there. 1, 2. Sorry. There you go.
But that's useful. Yeah, no, I'm out of I think a bear trap or whatever. What the?
Oh, okay.
Jesus.
I was like,
Run!
it took me a second to realize. I was like, wait a minute. That's Auburn. Who's that?
It's me again.
Oh, no.
I am now supercharged. You will fall.
I'm tired.
Oh, oh no. Oh. Jesus, this is gonna die with me.
Yes, tired. Yes. Now here we go with this death-defying girl. I'm gonna switch a fucking.
You somehow have this.
She's the opposite of me. Everything goes her way. It's the opposite of Murphy's Law. Fucking Houdini slippery fuck you. I can't with this girl. She's the funkiest fucking person alive. I swear to God, don't do it. Don't do it. No, there's no fucking way.
Hi, buddy.
There's this fucking shit. I can't even hit her. The pillars are protecting her. What do you mean? You got a shield. What do you... Holy fuck, dude. Bro.
Just the
Small
rage.
companion
from-
has electricity.
Are you good, bro?
Junk man. Electrocution.
I'm the unluckiest fucking person alive, I'm convinced.
I mean, I can show you the ways.
I
of
electrocute
Skywalker.
you.
You watch, I'd still fucking go wrong for me. It's Murphy's
No,
Law.
you
with
cannot
this shit.
trade anyone. Electricity.
Go, gadget. Electricity.
Oh, no.
Sorry,
Not
gadget.
again.
Gatling gun. There we go. Fixed attitude problems.
Green, pink, blue, red, green.
Fuck,
red,
it's not
pink, green, red,
wanting to cooperate.
green, red, blue, pink, green, red, blue, pink, green, red, blue, pink, green, red, blue, pink.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whee! Death!
Nope. I want it. I
I don't want it.
Okay.
Don't do it. My memory's already shit enough. Pink, red, green, blue. Pink, red, green, blue. Pink, red, green, blue. Pink, red, green, blue. Not the fridge. Pink, red, green, blue. I fucking hate this game. I fucking hate this game. I can't multitask worth a damn.
If it makes you feel better, it's a shipping container, not a fridge.
I noticed.
It's everyone's problem. Lightning!
I had all of 1 second to celebrate the fact that I remembered which color it was before instant annihilation.
You're overcharger. Stand still.
Oh, Demon didn't make it.
Props. That means more refrigerators. Fuck!
Beat him up!
It's already with the fridges, man. It's already with the fucking fridges. No. No.
If it helps, I don't know the trick
You're
to
not
this one.
me.
Of course you fucking do.
I said I don't know the trick to this one.
I'm sitting in the corner.
Never mind, you can't.
I'm sitting in the fucking corner. I'm
There are 2 of us. You only killed 1.
Oh, fuck. It's all gone wrong. It's all gone wrong.
That was not. He killed all of us. Giggle.
I swear if it's a fucking fridge that takes me out.
You got this,
I can do a little bit of Sin's impression. It is me, Sin. Giggle, giggle.
No, it's
Look, it's been brother and stab.
Are you okay?
Give them the light.
What's the matter?
I'm just never okay.
fighting for my fucking life, man.
That's my natural state, not okay. It's very simple.
Sorry, I have a habit of trying to help people.
I'm fighting for my fucking life on this conveyor belt, man. Please, I'm.
Oh, refrigerator, move.
No, please. No. What the fuck are you getting these grand pianos from?
They were on sale.
No.
Hey, man, look over here.
Yeah.
What are you doing if you sold
Make
this?
sure I'm not falling off the fucking conveyor, but I can't. No.
I don't know.
You can technically punt this since you were bigger than me at the moment.
I could.
Mean, I'm in danger.
You're doing good. Just a couple more seconds.
I'm so close. No.
Oh no.
Every time someone says something like "you're doing good," I fucking die.
Hey, you're the one in danger, vamp.
Shit. Next time I say you're
Life
awful,
does
you're
not
worse.
want me to
You're not
have-
doing great at all.
Nobody, life does not want me to have positive affirmation. It kills me seconds after. Fuck's sake, dude.
You need
I didn't want
help.
to. I didn't want to say anything because I'm like, oh, there's 20 seconds left. I'm doing good, but I'm gonna jinx it if I say it. But you
Damn.
did it for me. I fucking died instantly, and I fucking. Oh my god.
Okay, so no positive reinforcements. Got it.
Fucking apparently not.
Is that my
So what is
target,
it?
the giant cannon?
Why should be fucking electrified first for killing me this time? Why should be?
Here is surprise attack.
I'm hiding here with you, bro.
Say hello to my little friend.
Maybe you'll
So
sell.
that you're gonna.
Please do not beat me
I
with
love
your
how both of
fist.
y'all like try to do my trick.
You will
I'm
not
just hiding here so I don't get no scoped by a fridge, okay? Can you blame me?
Not really. Can't blame you on that one.
Okay, I know the second. Ow, pain!
Bring it, vamp.
Don't tempt her! You fuck!
Don't tempt her.
Fucking getting-
Oh, that's a fridge.
You're a loser, baby, a loser.
I know. Like,
Damn it.
Took out by a fridge.
fucking freak. Fucking electrocute. I'm sick of this bush. it's always the same. It's always the same. What the frick? I can't have shit in this game. Positive affirmations, die instantly. Fucking fridge, die instantly.
What does that
Think I'm
one
safe?
do?
Fucking electrocuted. This is bullshit.
Let me stop my
Ah,
video
this
here for a
is-
minute.